Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to my new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build with a Maven for a Java project. I already have a Java project. I'm going to show you how to build that project, like building the jar file, war file, or any etc file. How to build it. Now I already have a Java project in a GitHub repository. In the last videos, I already showed how to clone the GitHub repository, which is available in a private repository in a CI/CD pipeline, how to configure the username with a access token, how to take the access token from the GitHub. All those things I already showed in previous videos. If you are not watched that videos, please go and check my playlist regarding this project. So you will get to understand better. Now in this video, I'm going to show how to build a Maven. Let's get started. Now I already have created a job here. If you come to the configuration, in the last video, what I did is I just clone the repository. That's it. I am not done anything. In this video, I'm going to show how to build it. Here now I'm going to write the code. Now I'm going to add the stage here. I am giving the name called build. Then I'm going to add a steps here. In the steps, you should know if it is a what are the framework you used for building the project. I use the Spring Boot for my project. Now I have a command here already I copied. This is the command to build the Spring Boot project. So I'm just copying this command and I'm just running in a Jenkins server. Just when you want to, if you want to run any commands, just give the sh, and in a codes you just need to add the okay. You just need to add your command to execute. It is going to execute. Let me. I'm just giving the save now. Now I saved the project. Now I'm going to click on build now. Let me see what are all the errors we will get. How you are going to fix these errors. All things we are going to learn step by step. Now I got errors. Just click on this one. Come down. Here it is showing this one. See, it is telling permission denied. Because after cloning, right? If I do cd slash var slash lib slash Jenkins, if I do ls, if I am going inside the workspace directory, if I do ls, if I go inside the my job, if I do ls, see when we want to build a project, we need to give the execution permission for this file. See, that is what it is showing. .mvnw permission denied. So if I do ls slash l, all these files are available in a just read, write, read. Because when we are running the Jenkins file, it is going to execute, right? So what I need to do is I need to convert this file as an execute mode. Here I need a one execution mode. So let me see how you can change that mode. For that, I'm going to add the file. I'm just going into the configuration. Here, before building, I'm going to change the file permission for the ch colon ch mode plus execution file name. What is the file name? This is the file name which I want to change the permission. Just paste it here. That's it. Just save it now and click on build now. See, when you are learning, if you got any errors, don't panic because nowadays you have all the AI tools. You are just going to do the copy paste. Before going to do copy paste to any AI tool, just once read the error message, then only you will understand the 50% of the error what you are facing. Without reading the error message, just copying and pasting, it is not going to really helpful for a industry level. Now, error, fail to execute goal. See, it is showing Maven plugin is not available. 3.1.7 compile, release. See, release version 17 is not supported because if I do Java slash version, when I'm installing the Jenkins, that time I use the OpenJDK 21st version, but my GitHub project is available in a, I use the OpenJDK 17th version. That's why it is getting confusion. It is not building up properly. So now I'm going to change this version to 17th. Now let's see how to change this version. You can change these versions in a many ways. Either you can uninstall the this 21 version and install the 17 version directly in a Jenkins server. Now I'm not going to do in a Jenkins server. Now I'm going to show you how to install any customized version of Java or any uh, software in a Jenkins only. Here, come to the Manage Jenkins. Click on Manage Jenkins. Here, there is a plugins. For installing the Java, we just need to install the Eclipse. Eclipse. I already installed the Eclipse terminal. So I'm just click on the installed plugins. Here, if I click on type the Eclipse, here you can see it's already installed. Then come to the Manage Jenkins again. Here, in the so many, when I start learning the Jenkins, I got lot of confusion between the system and the tools. Now I'm going to clarify these two difference where when you are going to use the system, when you are going to do configurations in a tools section, system is like a, imagine you have a phone. In a phone you have a settings, right? You can change the date, you can change the wallpapers, all these things we can do in a settings. Like that, if we click on the system, you can do the configuration regarding the Jenkins, like a system messages, like a checkout, Jenkins location you can change, you can change the timestamp, you can change the system time format, all those things related to Jenkins you can do the changes in a system. When it's come to tools, when it's come to tool, it's like a installing the external plugins and use. Imagine in a phone you are going to install some food delivery apps. In a food delivery you are going to allow your location, you are entering the phone number and OTP, all those things you are going to configure, right? That is what tool section is going to do. If you click on the tool, now my Java is a external tool. If I click on the add JDK, I'm going to give the name JDK 17. I'm going to click on install automatically. If you already installed in a Jenkins server, you just need to specify the Jenkins path where you already installed. I'm clicking on automatic install automatically. Here, if you install the Eclipse terminal, you can see this install for this topic. Just click on this one. Here you can see many versions of Java which you want to add. Now I'm going to add a JDK 17th. Just click on this one. Just click on save. Then come to the job configuration. Here I need to add a tools section. I'm going to add a tools JDK. My JDK 17. That's it. Just save it and build it again. I think I need to configure the Maven also. Whether I don't know whether it is going to take automatically. Now the job is got success. Let me see in a terminal whether I got the target folder. Inside the folders, inside the target folder, will I get the executable file or not? If I go to the Jenkins server, now I already in a CI/CD job one. Sorry for my spelling mistake. I'm really sorry. I didn't see CD project. It's a job one. If I do ls, okay. Now I'm going to go to the cd/var/lib/jenkins. Now I'm going inside the workspace directory. Now I'm going job one, cd job one. If I do ls, you can see my target folder is got created. If I go inside the target, if I do ls, you can see my jar file is got created. My project is user management app. This is the jar file which is created just now. This is how you are going to create a jar file in a Jenkins pipeline. If you found this video is really helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. This gives me a more motivation to upload the more contentful videos like this and doing some more projects, and it is going to help to the learners who is starting their career in a DevOps. When they are starting the projects, they don't want to spend a lot of time in a coding and building the projects. So these projects are really going to helpful for the who is going to learn the DevOps as a beginner. So thank you. Bye bye. See you.